Hi, I'm Matt with Ballast Tools Equipment. Today we're going to review the operation of our tie head attachment when using it off track. If possible, position the backhoe so that it is perpendicular to the tracks. Close the jaws on the end of the tie and move the boom and stick as required to pull the tie out from under the rails. Grab the new tie and use the bucket curl to angle the tie up and get it stabbed in under the first rail. Once it is sufficiently under the first rail, close the jaws and place the ends of the jaws against the end of the tie and push it through the crib and under the second rail. Pushing against the end of the tie will eliminate it from binding up under the rail while holding it and pushing it into position. Pushing on the end also allows for the ability to steer the tie as it is being moved through the crib. Thanks for watching, and for more information, check out our website. And as always, be safe out there.